how to do the swipe thing on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application, right? Now it will lead you directly to your homepage. So let's just go here to your profile. So the swipe thing is this, right? You want to do this swipe thing on TikTok where you could, it's actually an interactive content or photos where you could swipe the photos or read the text that's in the photos. So what you can do is on the bottom part, you will see five different options there, right? Now, what you want to do is to tap on the plus icon there to create a content. Now, on the bottom part, you will see effects and then the camera capture button and then the upload. Tap on upload there. And before that, you have to make sure that you have set it on photo here. You will see 10 minutes. So set it on photo, then tap on upload and then choose the photos that you want to choose, that you want to use. So on the bottom part left side, you will see select multiple. Tap on that so that you can add many photos as you want. So let's say this photos, I want to add this and then tap on next. Now here, as you can see, we already have uploaded the photo there, and on the bottom part you will see photo and video. Now if you want to do the swipe thing, then you have to set it on photo, because if you set it on video here, it will automatically swipe the video. So since we want to do the swipe thing, the interactive one, tap on or set it to photo here and then tap on next, and then just tap on post. And basically that is how to do the swipe thing on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.